family's darkest moments, we were given a miracle. The candle became a magical flame that could never go out. It blessed us with an encanto, and our house, our casita itself, came alive to protect us. When each person in the family came of age, the encanto blessed each of us with a unique gift. My mama has the gift of statistics and probability. My tia Peppa has the gift of calculus. My sister Isabella has the gift of machine learning. My other sister Luisa has the gift of data visualization. My uncle Tio Bruno has the gift of cloud computing, and he could see the future. But when it was time for the candle to give me my gift, I need to make my family proud. Well, what's my gift? I can't talk about myself. I'm only part of the amazing madrigals. My Tio Bruno. We don't talk about Bruno, but they say Tio Bruno saw the future and one day he just disappeared. If he had a vision of someone, what would it mean? We don't talk about Bruno, no. We don't talk about Bruno. He told me that the life of my dreams will be promised and someday be mine. He told me that my power would grow like the algorithms that I'm building every day. He told me that the package of my dreams will be just out of reach and won't run on my MacBook. Basically, he would see something terrible and then, boom, our encanto is in trouble. I saw some cracks in the casita. I need to find Tio Bruno. For my family, for Abuela, maybe a little for me. Tio Bruno had a vision of the future. Find the vision. Save the encanto.
Mirabel?
Tio Bruno, wait, is that you? What does the vision mean? Is that why you came back?
Mirabel, you were never supposed to see that vision.
Wait, have you been here all this while, patching the cracks in our casita?
Oh, that? No. I'm too scared to go near those things. All the patching is done by Hernando.
Who's Hernando?
I'm Hernando. I'm scared of nothing. It's actually me. I used to say my real gift wasn't cloud computing or seeing the future. It's acting.
How long have you been back here? Look, Tio Bruno, the encanto and our casita are in trouble. Everyone has a gift of data science but me. I've tried everything, but since I don't have a gift, I've had to learn data science from scratch.
Walk me through what you did, Mirabel.
Well, I got through the basics fairly quickly. It took me about 3 weeks to learn the fundamentals.
What were the basics?
In my mind, there are 6 basic things to learn. Creating variables, learning data structures, tidying the data, working with strings, pipes, and writing functions.
But why did you stop at just the basics?
Obviously, I could spend forever on learning the theory and concepts, but data science is all about application and problem solving. I wanted to learn the basics quickly to get started on a project.
Doing projects is a good way of gaining experience with implementing data science solutions, and it also helps you learn to troubleshoot when issues arise.
OMG, yes! Every time I write a new piece of code, it always throws an error. And when that happens, I go to Stack Overflow, which is the forum for posting and answering coding-related questions.
And you get better at using Google to find answers to your coding questions over time, isn't it?
That is so true. And by doing a project, it is also a great way to build confidence when I can see the product of my learning. It is easy to want to quit when the going gets tough, but by picking a project that I enjoy, it becomes easier to stick to it and persevere.
The mindset of learning data science is very important. As you say, it's very easy to just give up when things don't work your way. What made you soldier on, Mirabel?
It's pretty easy actually. The trick that worked for me is to become comfortable with getting things wrong. Coding can be pretty hard, so I get things wrong all the time. But that's okay. I know that there are plenty of resources out there to help me out. Another thing that worked for me is by following my curiosity.
Yeah, you are a pretty curious young woman. Not always for the right reasons.
I had to find you, Tio Bruno, to find out what the vision means. Saving the encanto is the right reason.
Okay, I get it. But what does curiosity have to do with mastering data science?
Don't you get it, Tio Bruno? I don't follow everything that's written in a tutorial from Stack Overflow. I like to try out different things, change codes that other people write, mess things up and put them back together again in a different way to see if they work.
Look, the vision mirror is glowing.
This is it, isn't it? The vision is telling us how to save the encanto. Wait, is that me in the vision?
That's our answer. You're our answer, Mirabelle. You don't realize that you have a gift of bringing everyone together.
What do you mean, Tio Bruno?
Each member of our family has a gift. The mother's gift is the gift of statistics and probability. Isabella's gift is a gift of machine learning. Luisa's gift is a gift of data visualization. Separately, they have limited power, but your gift is the ability to bring all their gifts together.
Bringing the gifts of my family together?
Don't you see it, Mirabelle? You are the glue that makes data science data science. The gifts of our family must be brought together to fix the Encanto.
Oh, I get it now. So you're saying, in order to fix the Encanto and save our casita, I need to harness the gifts of my family to create a data science solution? Maybe, just maybe, by creating a new package that is all-powerful?
Yes, Mirabelle, use your gift to create this new package. Hurry up, we are running out of time.
Tidyverse.